Wash your hands and let's cook dinner. Tonight we're having taco bake or Mexican lasagna, whatever you want to call it. But I just started out with 1 pound of ground beef and seasoned it, and then I drained the meat. Then I added a little bit of garlic and a can of Rotel and realized I forgot to put the taco seasoning in. So I added that, stirred it up real good, and preheated my oven to 350. Then I just put a little bit of oil into my pan and started layering. We just do the taco meat with Rotel, a jar of Tostitos cheese dip, and shredded cheese. Y'all can add whatever y'all like. Some people will do refried beans, but this is what we like. But you'll put it into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until your cheese is melted and your tortillas are a little bit crispy. And that's it. Hope y'all have a great night. Mwah.